Hello, in front of me I've got Renault ARKANA. In this video I'll show you how to check Windows manufacture date. In the beginning, take a look at any window. Each window is equipped with special sticker. I will show you on the window where it is visible. Right here. On this sticker we can find dots. In this case we've got 3 dots and special number. Number indicate year of production and dot indicate month of production. It should be on every window corner. Just like here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.